Okay, so dear students, first of all, this is the first live class, so welcome you all. I'm very happy to engage the classes for you people. And as you might have seen some of the videos that are conducted in the boards class or in the starting of the classes, that is one or two recording video also. I hope you have gone through that one. And if you have doubt in that, okay, we'll look into this. Okay, I got messages, but you can, I feel. While while joining, there is a column. Okay, there's a column. Through that, you just need to, there you have to put your name. Okay, during the joining, there is a column called as name. There you have to put your name. Let's see that one. Okay, let's see that one. If any problem is there, we will do one thing, like we'll share a video in the group, that by looking at that you can join. Okay. And one very important thing that I want to tell, that if the class is allowed to start, like if the class starts at 10:45, you must be prepared before 5 minutes only. Because what I see is still now, okay, the class has been started around 15-20 minutes before, and the students are still joining. It won't help you, okay. Majority of the part will be over within 10 to 15 minutes only. So that's why it would be better if you join little early. Got it? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, you're welcome. So now I feel it's everything is fine, right? Everything is fine. So we'll start the class now. Okay, we'll start the class. As I told that I sent some videos, right? I sent some videos I uploaded some videos in the YouTube. I hope you have gone through that one. And if any doubt regarding that one, you can ask. Anyhow, the live classes is a platform where you can ask the doubt, you can clear the doubt, not like the YouTube videos, right? So we are started with some basic concepts of chemistry. In the video lecture, I just told you about the conversion factors, right? Conversion factors from the prefixes and all, right? There we have learned about the conversion from one prefix to the other prefix. I hope you have understood that, right? So whatever that is required, for example, if you want to convert nanometer to micrometer, whatever required that comes to the denominator. Okay, remember that one. Whatever that is required that comes to the denominator. For example, if you want to convert 1.2 nanometer to the millimeter, okay, millimeter, it would be like this. As 1.2 into nanometer, you can just convert in terms of that prefix value as 10 raised to -9 divided by this value which is required comes to the denominator as 10 raised to -3, right? And it will be named as a millimeter. So it becomes 1.2 into 10 raised to -6 millimeters. So this is how we have done the conversion. Okay, Sujal, we will try. Okay, we'll try our best what can be done. We are thinking about that only. Okay, we'll talk to the respected person and we'll get back to you. Okay, so just for time being, you just adjust with this online classes only. If possible, we'll upload as soon as possible. We'll upload these recorded videos in the YouTube. You can go through the video and you can understand where you are not clearly understood. Okay, let's come to the question this only. So we were dealing about the conversion factor. Okay, the conversion factor, right? So what we have discussed in this is the way to convert, and this is we have discussed already. Let's move to the next part now. Let's move to the next part, as the conversion factor should be used for the conversion. Okay, first of all, about the volume conversion now. Okay, we'll use it for the volume conversion, and second part is about the temperature conversion. Okay, about the temperature conversion. If possible, we will discuss these two today only, or at least the volume conversion if we finish today. Temperature conversion and other parts we can deal from tomorrow and understand from tomorrow. We will not waste any time. Okay, whatever the login issue, whatever the issue you are facing, you clear off everything today only. Okay, from tomorrow we should not waste time, because we have got only 40 minutes of time. So in that we have to learn many things, right? So, and one more thing, that I will be giving some works to you. Okay, work will be given to you, assignments, like every 3 days or every week. You'll be getting some questions, or you may be asked some questions. You just need to write. And everything that we are dealing here in the classrooms, you just either have to take a screenshot or write it somewhere. Okay, it's better to maintain a notes, so write it somewhere. Okay, so this is the chapter which is called as some basic concepts of chemistry. Some basic concepts of chemistry, where we have to learn about in that we have started some of the parts that is recorded in the YouTube only. You have to maintain the notes, okay, proper notes, because when the college starts, after 1 or 2 months, when the college starts, everything will be verified, everything will be checked. Okay, so that's why it's better. Yes, this is the daily time for the chemistry classes. Okay. Okay, so if you have any doubt now, you ask anything, no problem. I told you, it's a first class. Let's clarify everything today only. Any doubt related to the classes, the Zoom classes, recording video, or whatever, you just clarify the things today only. From tomorrow, if there should be nothing. Yes, sir, I have already made the notes. Good, good. Prithvi, good. Yes, Akshay, we are welcome. Let's continue. Let's continue with the volume conversion now. Volume conversion will be, you should know, okay, we should know what do you mean by this volume first of all. Okay, volume is the space occupied, right? Space occupied in the 3 dimension. Will there be classes on Saturday and Sunday? Saturday there will be definitely classes, but I don't think the classes will be there on the Sundays. Okay, so Saturday there will be classes, but no classes on the Sundays. Okay, Sundays there will be no classes, especially the online classes won't be there. Okay, but other classes task may be there. Okay, we may give you task like writing questions, solving questions from the beginning only. Okay, from the beginning only we'll start solving the JEE NEET type of questions also. So that task may be there. So you don't worry. Okay, what you're teaching on the basis we have to make notes. Yes, whatever we're gonna write on the board, no, you just need to write it. Okay, these are the conversion factors, because I'm gonna write, or if possible, okay, tomorrow I'll make sure that what can be done, because for second year I'm sending the notes only. If possible, I'll send you the handwritten notes. Okay, handwritten notes, if possible I'll send you that one, so don't worry about that one. Okay, because on notes is very important, because of like reading and all. Okay, so volume conversion should be done now. Okay, the volume conversion should be done. So we have to make the separate notes for the chemistry. Yes, you have to, because in the few classes you have to have the notes of properly separate notes of physics, chemistry, maths, everything. Everything should be separate, even the languages. Okay, you have to have it. It's not like a same subject, right? It's divided now, so you have to have a proper notes, because that is going to help you. Okay, so the volume is, I told you that it's a space occupied. Okay, it's a space occupied in the 3 dimension. So we know that in the 3 dimension, if I tell you, if this is the cube now, okay, so this will occupy some space. Okay, this cube will occupy some space, and that is what we call as a volume. Okay, volume. So volume will be measured with the 3. Okay, volume will be measured with the 3 main SI units. Means it's a combination of 3 SI units. What is that? Same type of SI unit, that is length from this side, and length on this side, and length on this side. So therefore the volume as a unit of length into length into length, that is known as meter cube. Okay, because usually length will be measured with the unit of meter, and meter and meter, that is known as a meter cube. Okay, but you know, in our day-to-day life, if you go for a buying a milk now, okay, if you go for a buying a milk, we never tell that we have a what, we need a milk which is of 1 meter cube, 100 meter cube, 10 meter cube. We never measure in that, right? Because in our day-to-day life we have a different unit, okay, for the measurement of the volume. We have a different unit. Okay, for example, the milk only, we never go and buy in the terms of the meter cube or decimeter cube or centimeter cube. We use a different unit, and that unit is called as a liter. Got it? So that unit is called as a liter. See, if you see, I'm going in between somewhere, like just to admit the person who's joining now. Okay, so that's why it's better if you join it early as possible. Before 5 minutes only you should be ready. Okay, So as I was telling that the volume has a unit now, which is not only meter cube, there is some other units also. And what are the other units and how to convert between the one to other, that you must learn. So for that, I'll tell you that there are mainly in terms of meter and centimeter cube, there are three main units that is called as a centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter cube, then decimeter cubes I'm taking for one. Okay, 1 centimeter cube, 1 decimeter cube, and 1 meter cube. You have been using, okay, you have been using these units now, okay, in our day-to-day life. We don't, I'm not telling that you're not using it, but majority of the time whatever we do, for example, if you take a car now, okay, if you take a car, they will measure the volume available at the back seat or the dicky. They will measuring using these units, okay, not with these units, because we are not that much familiar with this one. We are not that much familiar with this unit, but we are familiar with these unit. That is that we're going to use in the day-to-day life. So it's better to learn what are those units and how to convert from this to this, or how to convert from among themselves. So that thing we must learn now. So 1 centimeter cube is nothing new. Okay, 1 centimeter cube is nothing new. It is nothing but 1 ml. Okay, 1 ml. 1 ml is nothing but 1 centimeter cube. How it is 1 ml can be equal to 1 centimeter cube? See here, if you take exactly 1 centimeter, if you see this, okay, small mark, this length is 1 centimeter from here to here. Or if I extend in the other way or in other axis, that is going to be 1 centimeter. If I extend in one more axis also, I will be getting a small box. I hope you are able to see this small box, right? That small box, for your understanding, I'll enlarge it. Okay, I'll enlarge it. I'll tell you that the box that are drawn in the board now is of this size, where this length is 1 centimeter and this length is 1 centimeter and this length is also exactly 1 centimeter. Therefore the volume is 1 centimeter cube. But when we measure it, okay, but when we measure it, it comes out to be this small, okay, this small. And when we see that when this small, okay, if you are able to see, it is coming out to be this small, and when it is measured exactly, that is nothing but 1 ml. Okay, it is nothing but 1 ml. So that is the simplest conversion. Okay, 1 centimeter cube is nothing but 1 ml. And 1 dm cube, okay, 1 dm cube, if I extend, if I extend it to the 10 centimeter like this, 10 centimeter like this, okay, or if I extend in the other axis as 10 centimeter like this, I will be getting 10 centimeter into that cube. Okay, that is nothing but 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube. Why? Because this is, okay, you are not able to see this one, right? So I'll draw this here. Okay, what I'm telling here is, one side you extend, take the 10 centimeter, other side also 10 centimeter, and the other side also exactly 10 centimeter. So I will be getting 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and this length is also 10 centimeter. So the total volume will be now, total volume will be 10 into 10 into 10 centimeter cube. That is nothing but 1000 centimeter cube. That is nothing but 1000 ml. And we know what you mean by exactly 1000 ml. 1000 ml is nothing but, sir can't see the full board. Okay, no problem. I'm writing this side. Okay, that's why I'm writing this side. See here. Zoom cube is not visible. Where is that? No problem. I've marked the line now. Below that line, I won't go. Okay, don't worry. And here, I'm writing this side. Okay, so don't worry. See, what you can see here is, if you multiply, okay, multiply, you'll be getting exactly 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube is nothing but 1 dm cube. Okay, 1 dm cube, or 1000 ml is nothing but 1 liter. Okay, it means that, yes, very good, right? 1 liter. If you are bringing a packet of 1 liter milk, okay, you might have seen that one, right? 1 liter milk, you may get this much volume, right? But when you measure exactly, or if you cut that milk and if you pour in a box of this size, which is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, it would fill exactly, okay? It will fill exactly what it indicates. 1 liter is nothing but 1 dm cube, or 1 liter is nothing but 100 ml. So I can just make the change over here that 1 dm cube is nothing but 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. Now I'll extend, okay, I'll extend further. So Let me take this big size now, which is exactly 1 meter, and this size also exactly 1 meter, and this side also exactly 1 meter. And when I measure it, okay, you know what I'm going to get now? I'm going to get 1 meter cube, okay, 1 meter cube, and 1 meter, okay, 1 meter in terms of centimeter will be, or in terms of decimeter will be 1 decimeter. That is in terms of centimeter will be in terms of decimeter it will be 10 decimeter, or in terms of centimeter it will be 100 centimeters. Okay, then we have a conversion now. 1 meter is nothing but 10 decimeter, that is nothing but 100 centimeter. So if I multiply, if I calculate the volume, it would be 1 meter cube, that is nothing but in terms of decimeter it would be 10 into 10 into 10, that is nothing but 1000 decimeter cube. In terms of centimeter, it would be 10 raised to 6, because 100 into 100 into 100 is nothing but 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. Okay. So what is exactly this one in our day-to-day life? 1 meter cube is nothing but 1 dm cube is 1 liter. In that case, 1000 dm cube will be 1000 liters. Okay, 1000 liters. So what is this now? 1000 liter. Let me just give one example. Okay, just give one example. Exactly 1000 liter in our day-to-day life that we use is a tank. Okay, if you see the tank means water tank. Okay, the water tank that we use. Okay, nowadays it's common, right? We fill the tank. Okay, we usually buy the tank of our either 500 liters or 1000 liter. You might have experienced. See, if I show my using my hand, it will be of this size, right? This size, very large size. The tank in like on the like the roof and all, it will be there, right? That is written as 1000 liter, and you know 1000 liter is nothing but 1 meter cube. Okay, it means 1 meter cube is nothing but 1000 liters. See, this is that volume conversion that I was talking. 1 centimeter cube is nothing but 1 ml, 1 dm cube is nothing but 1 liter, and 1 meter cube is nothing but 100 ml. This is nothing but, okay, this is small size, and 1 dm cube, that is nothing but 1 liter of this size. 1000 liter is nothing but the water tank that we use, right? This size water tank, that is what you call as a 1 liter, 1000 liter, or 1 meter cube. So I hope this is clear to you, right? This is clear to you. Now conversion between this to this to this is very easy. Conversion between this to this to this is also easy, because that is what we have learned in the last class. Conversion between this to this, don't go for direct conversion. You whatever, if you want to, if they are asking centimeter cube to the liter in terms of liter, it's better to express the centimeter cube into the ml, then you express in terms of this. So before converting from this to this, okay, let's try to convert. See, one more thing I'll tell you. Every class when I start, no, it will end in 40 minutes. So before the end of 10 minutes, okay, before the end of 40 minutes, there will be a meeting alert that will be sent by the Zoom that this meeting is going to end in 10 minutes. Okay, at that moment I'll warn you that this class will end in 10 minutes. Now 5 minutes before only that warning appeared. It means this class is going to end in 5 minutes. Okay, this class is going to end in 5 minutes. It means we can continue the class after the from tomorrow. Okay, so this class exactly ends in 4 minutes now. In the 4 minutes, at least we'll try to convert one from the other. So convert, okay, convert 1.3 liters to ml. Okay, this is the first conversion between these. Let's do this one. Okay, let's do this one. So here convert 1.3 liters to the ml. So how to do this one? So 1.3 into liters means it is 1 liter only, divided by what is required comes to the denominator. What is that required now? Milli means 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3. Yes, others, good. So it will become 1.3 into 10 raised to plus 3. When it goes to the numerator, it becomes 1300 liters. Got it? So this type of conversion you should do. Second one, 2.8 ml to liters. Okay, second one is 2.18 ml to liters. So let's convert this. So it will be now 2.8 into, let's express this, that is 10 raised to minus 3 liters, and required thing is also in liters, so divided by liters only. So you will be getting the final value as 2.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. Got it? The first one is in ml. Oh yeah, sorry. Good. See, this type of small mistake sometimes happens, and you should, when you identify it, you should tell immediately. Very good, Shraddha. Very good. So it is 1300 ml. Let's go for the conversion between centimeter cube to the decimeter cube and all. So let's try to write somewhere over here. So let's convert now. Okay, second type of conversion. So convert 77.3 meter cube to, okay, first one is centimeter cube and second one is decimeter cube. Okay, you should express in terms of centimeter cube and decimeter cube. So you can do this as 77.3 meter cube is given, so don't write the unit, into, okay. Meter cube cannot be expressed into anything else, right? It cannot be expressed in anything else, but what is required? Centimeter cube. So that comes to the denominator, right? 1 divided by, you know, the centimeter cube is nothing but, centi is nothing but 10 raised to minus 2. It's actually like this, okay? Centimeter cube is actually centimeter to the raised of 3, okay? Means centimeter cube. We know what is centi means, 10 raised to minus 2. So if I cube that one, it becomes 10 raised to minus 6. So it will be 77.3, 1 divided by 10 raised to minus 6. So it comes to the numerator, it becomes 77.6 into 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. Got it? So it should be converted in this way. Whatever required, that comes to the denominator. So in that case, students, can you convert the second one, 77.3 meter cube to the decimeter cube? Only if it is clear, if you have understood. Can I get any answer?
Seventy-seven point three into 10 to the power of 3.
Yes, it's right. 77 point, someone just told the answer. But I told you, no, we'll communicate through the message. Okay, you didn't understand the second one. No problem. Anyhow, dear students, I wanted to finish this, but because of all the starting things and all, it was not able to finish. Listen, this meeting